Hello everyone and welcome to our CCNA Practice Lab course on our channel. In this course we will cover the fundamentals of network configuration and troubleshooting, providing you with the skills and knowledge you need to succeed in this field and pass the CCNA exam. I'm really excited to share this information with you and help you to take your networking skills to the next level. We will use a packet tracer software and pre-configured lab for this course, which you can download from the link in the description. In episode 12, we will cover the lab on how to set up advanced access list on Cisco device. So here is our network. We have here 4 server, it's web servers, and obviously the IP address will be the 10.1.1.100, 101, 2, and 3. Here we have our PCs, so PC1, 10.1.2.101 and 102 is the PC2. We have here 2 switches, router and external network with DNS server, cisco.com, facebook.com and one outside PC some device. Okay, so our task is here. We need to make 2 access lists, 100 and 101. 100 is very similar like our previous lab. So basically PC1 can access server 1 and server 2 through the web with both so both with with both protocols, HTTPS and basic HTTP. The PC one, no other PC or servers on subnet can access subnet, so any other cannot access anywhere. And we have the host of subnets can access any other network, so this subnet of any device can access any other network, this one. All right, the second one, any external device can access internal HTTP service using HTTP. Okay, so the communication from here through the router to here is okay through the HTTP and HTTPS, and no external device can access the user subnet, so it's not allowed to go there. Okay, and on the end we will need to verify some of communication. So we will go to the router 1, go to the enable mode, configuration mode, and we will now do configuration a little bit different than previous time. The previous time we defined the extended group, and then now we will define the lines. So line by one. So access list 100, permit TCP host 10.1.2.101, it's PC1. It's allowed to communicate with 10.1.1.100 with this wildcard. This wildcard define only HTTP1 and HTTP2 on addresses 100 and 101 equal to the protocol www, that is HTTP. Enter. The same, only the difference is I will allow also the HTTPS. Okay, no other PC or servers on subnet 2, from PC subnet, can access the subnet on the HTTP server. So I will have also the access list of 100 deny IP 10.1.2. And I will define wildcard for the whole end device network and point K and the server's network. All right. Only the last one is to access list 100 permit any kind of IP traffic to the from 10.1.2.0 and with whole network wildcard /34 to any other outside network. Now we will define access list 101. And we will say permit TCP any incoming to the 10.1.1.0 on the whole servers. HTTP is able to come through this and through HTTP and HTTPS. Then allow outgoing communication. So basically I will define opposite way with command established. And also I need to define permit UDP host 8.1 equal domain and 10.1. I will define allow. I will allow the DNS communication with end devices. Okay. The last one is no external device can access the user subnet. So basically, I will permit or deny, not permit, deny any kind of IP traffic incoming. So 10.2.1. Okay. Exit and let's check our access list. Here it is. And the next step is to define, not to define, to do verification. Okay, let's go to the PC1. Let's go to the web browser and let's try to, for example, HTTP 10.1.1. For example, 103. Nothing. 104. Nothing. 102. Nothing. 101. It's working. And 100. It's working. Let's do it like this. Works. And like this. Works. So the first task is done well. The next, verify the inside PC2 cannot access the internal HTTP servers. Let's go to the PC2. Let's go to the web browser. Okay, and let's try to access, for example, 10.1, 1.100. Nothing, 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 nothing. Okay, we can try this. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Okay, verify the both inside PC1 and PC2 can browse to cisco.com and fade. Okay, let's try cisco.com. Request timeout we have. Okay, let's see here. Do we have defined? Okay, let's go to the command prompt IP-12/all. DNS is fine. Okay, let's ping cisco.com. Okay, it's not working. Okay, let's try to do PC1. Why not? Definitely the DNS server is working because we saw the okay, let's check others and we will back to solve this problem. Verify verify the outside PC1 can access board internal server. Okay, but not the ping. Okay, let's go here. Let's first try to ping 10.1.2.101, nothing. I think okay, this is working. Let's go to the web browser and let's try to access 10.1.1.100. It's working. 101, working. Okay, so it is working. Only we have a problem with that PC1 can browse to cisco.com and facebook.com. Okay, so let's check the access list one more. Okay. Let's go here, and here it is. Okay, so this is deny okay communication between these two networks. Perfectly fine. Permit any. So this is one step. We have second step, and we have this step, but from the opposite side. And it's working. This is fine, but we have a problem with how I see with this one rule. Okay, let's try to ping. Okay, let's see maybe the simulation. We'll go here, and do the ping. Let's track this packet. So type DNS. Okay, multi-layer switch, router 1, internet, and it comes to the server. Fine. Then go back to this one, and it's working. Then ping come to the here, and here is when we have problem. Why? Because there is some problem here. Because in the access list, if we go here, we said that any kind of communication which is coming to from the outside needs to be stopped. Okay, I want to allow from only these two servers, and we can do it. For example, if I go to the configuration mode and I will say okay, so I will access list 101 line 15 exit for access list. Okay, let's now go to the real time and let's repeat this ping. Now it's working. So we found where is the problem with our access list, how we can solve that. So we will cisco.com and facebook.com, we will check IP addresses and we will add exceptions. So let's go here, and we can see that IP address is this, so 8.9 and 10. If we go to the router, we can now define, so configuration mode, we will say access list 101.15 permit sorry, permit IP. So the incoming would be the 10.8.8.9, and wildcard would be this 10.1.2.0. Okay, and then access list 101 for deny IP any 10.1.2.0. Okay, exit, and let's try now first to do ping. It's working, and let's try facebook.com. It needs some time to check the requested timeout. Okay, the error is in the wildcard, so I will. So what you need to do is just not to define like this, just define two separate lines for this address and the next address, and it will be work fine. Okay, so we checked how also to do some troubleshooting on our access list, and we need to be very careful when we are doing this, and to take good planning before we start, and we will not in that case have any kind of these errors. However, that would be that. Thank you for watching this video on our CCNA Practice Lab course. We hope you found it informative and valuable. To continue your learning, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.